Presentation on 100 years of Thai dairy farming. Our team สารกิจทวินประวัติไพบูลย์ใจเด็ดสมพรศรีเมืองอัมพลวริธิธรรมจิรศักดิ์ชอบแต่งพรพมลปัทมานนท์ธำรงศักดิ์พลบำรุง The review compile and summarize important events related to the dairy development in Thailand during the last 100 years were undertaken to gain insight into history of the dairy development of the country. The history of Thai dairy began in 1907 during the reign of Raman V, when Indian immigrants brought the Bengali breed with them for milk for household consumption. Timeline of dairy development in Thailand. In 1907, Indian immigrants came to Thailand along with dairy cows to milk them for household consumption. 1920, Mom Chao Sithiporn Kridakon has established the first dairy farm called Bangbird Farm in Prachuap Khiri Khan province with native cross milking cows for household consumption. 1934, Praya Thep Hasadin established Bangkok Dairy Farm on the 1.5 hectare ranch with 120 milking cows in Bangkok. 1935, His Majesty King Bhumibol Adulyadej visited the Ober factory producing Nestle condensed milk in Switzerland. In 1941, after the end of the World War II, the Japanese soldiers left behind number of crossbred dairy cows, most of which were the crossbreds of Bos Indicus with Bos Taurus, with average milk yield of about 1,500 kg per head per year. 1952, the government imported Jersey and brown Swiss cattle from the United States and Pakistan. 1953, the teaching course on dairy farming and dairy products was offered at the Kesesat University, Department of Animal Science. In 1956, the Department of Livestock Development has imported Holstein Friesian cattle to upgrade dairy breeding program in Thailand. In 1960, His Majesty King Raman IX visited Denmark to observe dairy farms and dairy products in various locations across the country in order to study the feasibility of farming and milk processing operation in Thailand. In 1962, official open of the Thai-Denmark dairy business in Muak District, Saraburi Province, as established the Suan Chit Lada Dairy Farm in 1962. In 1965, established the Thai-German Dairy Project at the Chiang Mai Animal Breeding Station and successfully conduct the first trial of using frozen semen with artificial insemination of dairy cattle in Thailand. In 1971, issuing a royal decree to establish the Dairy Farming Promotion Organization of Thailand, or DPO. In 1979, the creation of hybrid dairy cattle between Holstein Friesian and Brahman crossbred, or we call TMZ, has involved the first collection of milk production records to test the size. 1981, FAO Dairy Training Center moved to Thailand to establish the National Dairy Development Training Research Institute in Chiang Mai Province. In 1990, the government promotes dairy farming by providing cows to farmers as a supplementary occupation during the off-season. The project is called Isan Green Project. In the first phase, 3,000 cows were given to 3 provinces, Udon Thani, Khon, Nakhon, Ratchasima, which are the private province